I wanted to take a moment to talk about soy wax since that is the predominant wax we use here in our shop. It is a natural wax made from soybeans, obviously, and it's full of triglycerides. When those triglycerides actually cool, they contract. And when they contract, any air bubbles that have been trapped in the wax during the pouring process want to get released. And when that happens, you end up with these little crater marks in your wax. So they look like little pock marks or little crater marks. You can see them in there. They're completely natural, completely natural. So don't fear if you see those. Sometimes makers who actually use soy wax will take a heat gun to gently heat the tops of candles to help A, release the air pockets that are there on the top, and B, present a creamier top before the candle has been sold. But when you burn that candle then and it solidifies again, you'll notice that you get little crater marks. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It is just a natural byproduct of using soy wax. And I just wanted to show you so that you know, because I think it's helpful for people to know. So candles are generally, you want to burn them for 3 to 4 hours max at a time. Wax, believe it or not, has a personality, characteristics, I guess, and it's best if you allow that wax to reset after 3 or 4 hours of burning to completely solidify before you burn it again. You'll get a better burn. You'll get a better hot throw. You'll get a longer lasting candle. It's just better to do that from a safety perspective as well. So I would recommend burning your candles for 3 or 4 hours and then blowing them out and let them completely reset to a solid state before you burn them again. But soy wax has little craters. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Enjoy.